We put a table at the front of the meeting, and I stood my bike on the table. And when I got everyone's attention, I said, "What's this?" And they all looked at me like I'd lost my mind. Some said it was a bike. Others said it was stolen property. And I said, "This is our business. And if we could understand how our business is like this bike, we could tune up our business and make it go really fast." And that's exactly what we did. We used the bike as a metaphor for a business. And for the first time, everybody could understand truly how a business worked. Fast forward 7 years, our $30 million business was now doing $150 million in sales, and we owned the top end of our product category. I normally tell you to turn off your cell phones, right? I've got my cell phone here. I'm probably the only 60-plus-year-old that has a selfie stick and carries it around with them all the time, right? And there's something about being a leader, particularly if you're going to be a leader in a great organization. Unfortunately, it's hard work. Unfortunately, you've got to set a high standard. Unfortunately, you're going to have to do some things that maybe you don't want to do yourself personally, but you have to do them so that other people will follow your lead. And here's what I find with most organizations. If the leader's not willing to do the little things like that, when it comes to the tough things, they totally bail. Look, we all did things a certain way in 2017, right? All of us have different processes that we do, different activities that support our business on the delivery of our product or service. So we all lived up to some standard this last year, right? Up until yesterday, before you came here. So the question that I have for you is, what's your methodology? What's the methodology you use in your business to continually look at everything that goes on in your business or the critical things that happen in your business and make them better? On a bike, there are two places where the rubber meets the road, the front wheel and the back wheel. Likewise, in a business, there are two places where the rubber literally meets the road. The front wheel of our business represents our ability to win new customers. The back wheel of our business are the processes we have to serve those customers. What's the protocol that we use? What kind of relationship do we build? How do we get feedback from our customers? You know, what's interesting is that our customers can have more power in the marketplace than we have dollars to spend on marketing.
Because that's what most people do. They come up with some scheme, and it's good for you as the business owner, not good for them. I got to make that decision from top down, and then I've got to execute from the bottom up.
But here's the thing that really we have to pay attention to. If you look at employee engagement statistics today, over half of the employees that work for companies today, for businesses of any kind, over half of them are not engaged in the business at all. They're totally disengaged. They aren't connected into what's going on. So as business owners, if we want to be successful, we got to find ways to bring people into our business in a way that they get it, they understand it, and they have fun with it.
It's hard to go from good to great. That's why most companies don't do it. That's why most business owners say, screw it, I'll take average. I'll just take what I can get, and that's good enough. And you gotta really want it if you want to go from good to great.
If you want to win in business today, as a business owner, you've got to focus on the right things and get your team fully engaged in your business strategies.